What is the today's date? 18. Today's date 18/4/26. Yeah, let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. Wherever we stopped yesterday, I'm doing that. I'm doing once again. Can you see this? I hope everyone is came. Right, see the answer. A is 1000, A plus 2, because of 2D array, plus 2 means first one is A, I think 2D array. First one is rows, right? Plus 2, 2 rows skipping. One row contain 5 people, 2 rows means 10 people. Every one 2 bytes. So I think 10 2 is 20, so 1020. Next one, A is 1000, A is 1000, star and plus fighting, star is the winner, it is 1000 only. The only thing is row selection completed. Plus 2 means 2 element. Every element is 2 bytes, 2 element means 4 bytes, 1004. Right, next one. Right, next one. Can you see this one? A of 2 plus 3. A of 2 plus 3. Remember, it is the shortcut. Actually, star A plus 2 plus 3. Star A plus 2 plus 3. So I think A plus 2 already we done. A plus 2, 1020. Star also same, 1020. The only thing is row level over. Then plus 3, 3 element, 6 bytes, 1026. 1026. Now let's go to second printer. So same, it is 1020 only, because it is already there here. 1020 but one star over, plus 7 means 7 elements. 7 elements. Every element 2 bytes. 7 elements means 14 bytes. It's going to be 1034. 7 element, every element is 2 bytes. 7 2 is 14. 14 plus 20, 34. Next one, A plus 3. A is 1000. Plus 3 means 3 rows skipping. 3 rows skipping. Every row is 5. 3 rows 15. 15 2 is 30. 1030. So ampersand A. So remember, A is 1000. Ampersand A also 1000. A is 1000. Ampersand A also 1000. Star A also 1000. Next one. Right, next one. A is 1000. Already A means address. You are saying address of that. Again address. Same thing will come. Next one, A is 1000. Right? I think star plus star is the winner. Star 1000, also 1000, because it is a 2D array. First star is row selection done. What is the meaning? 0th row selected. Again star. 0th column also selected. So value came, 10 came. 10 plus 7, 17. Because it is the data. So second printf also over. Let me know if anyone having any objections. So these are the final answers. These are the final answers. Let me know if anyone having any objections. Reddy sir, I didn't get this. You ask me, I will help you. You ask me, I will help you. Reddy sir, I didn't get this. You ask me, I will help you. Check once. Hello. Verify if anyone having any issue. If anyone having any issue, please let me know. Hello. Hello. Can we move to next problem? Can we move to next problem? Can we move to next problem? Even if the address is not in matrix, even if the address is not in matrix, still we will print. What it means? Address in matrix means what? Address in matrix means kya bhaiya? 1034, where it is? Star A plus 2 plus 7. But all are there continuously, na? Isa. In the memory, all are there continuously. That box is for you only. That matrix is for you only. But inside computer, all will store like this. All are continuous. All are continuous. So see this one. It is a zeroth one. It is a zeroth row, first row, second row. A plus 2 means this one. A plus 2 means where here A here plus 2 means 2 rows will skip. 2 rows will skip. I will be here. In this row, after one star is over, 7 elements skip. All are there continuously. You may say that, sir, here in this row, how can you skip 7 elements? Reddy, sir, in this row, how can you skip 7 elements? Right, 7 elements. So 7 elements, 2 more. In the memory, all are there continuously. Maybe you will get garbage. Maybe you will get the garbage. Every multi-dimensional array will store inside computer as a single dimensional array. So it's a column major order. Next one. 2D array is nothing but a collection of 1D arrays. If A is 2D array, after one star it will become 1D array. If A is 2D array, to get data we need 2 stars. If A is 2D array, A also address. Star A, row selected but address printed. Star A, column also selected but data will be printed. Let me write one more thing also. Let me write. A is address, ampersand A also. Same. Right? Same. Right? Ampersand A also same address. So A is address, which is 1000. Ampersand A also 1000. Star A also row selected but address 1000 printed. Star A, column also selected, data will be printed. So I think 10 will be printed. 10 data will be printed. In 2D array, until 2 stars, you don't get data. In 2D array, until 2 stars, you don't get data. 1 star for row, 1 star for column. Right? I think one small story also I said. See, this small story, please take care of that. Please take care that. Next one, this is A is 1000, A plus 5. I think this is also done. Everyone is perfect. Now I want to say one small thing. Everyone listen. But size is 4 into 3, 12. What size? Bhaiya? What is the 4 into 3? What is 4 into 3? 3 rows, 5 columns, right? What is the 4 into 3? Make it fast. Size is 3 by 5, right? Size is 3 by 5, na? What is 4 by 3? 3 by 5. 3 rows, 5 columns. It is a 3 by 5, right? Yeah, anyhow, in the next problem you can do the more discussion. Let's move to next problem. In the next problem you can do the more discussion. Right? See the next problem. Next example. Main. Next problem. Main. Int. In the place of int, let me write float. A 10, 20, 30, 40. 300. 300. Right? 300. Careful. 10, 20, 30, 40, 300. So that means, see this one. 3 columns are there. Rows is not mentioned. Rows is not mentioned. 10, 20, 30, 40, and so on. 300. 10, 10 difference. Now see this one. 10, 20, 30. When he got to know, right? Three elements are over. 3 elements are over. 1 row over. Then he will shift to next row. 40, 50, 60, 3 elements once again over. You will shift to next row. 70, 80, 90. You will shift to next row. Right? 100, 110, 120. You will shift to next row. So like that they will go. So if you observe clearly, lastly, 280, 290, 280, 290, 100, 300. So something like this. This is. So how many rows can you guess? Can you guess how many rows? Can anyone guess how many rows? 10, 10 difference? 10, 10 difference until 300. How many rows can anyone guess? 10 will be there, 40 will be there. I think if you see the gap, 30, 30 difference. 30, 30 difference. So it's going to be, I think, 70. If you add the 30, 100. So 130, 160, 190, and so on. 280. So can you check yourself? 220, 250, 280. Right? That's it. See how many rows? These many rows are there. 280, 280, 290, 300. Right, fine. 10 rows. Check yourself. My intention is 10 rows. 0th row, first row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row, sixth row, seventh row, eighth row, ninth row. 0 to 9, which is going to be 10. 0, 1, 2. By default, row major. By default, row major. By default, row major order. By default, row major order. Right, careful. By default, row major order. Main float A, this one, I think everything is perfect. Now let me write the few more things. Float A 3, 10, 20, 30, 40, 300. So next one, let me write float. Oh, already declaration is done. So I want to write printf statement. Printf percentage u, percentage u, percentage u. So let me write now. A plus 3 star A plus 3 star A plus 3. Which is percentage D. Printf percentage U, percentage U, percentage U, A plus 3 plus 2, A plus 3 plus 2, A plus 3 star plus 2, printf percentage U, percentage U, percentage U, A plus 1, ampersand A plus 1, star A plus 1, I think these are enough. Can you finish this? Can you finish this? Can you finish this? Hi everyone. Hi. Can you finish this? By default, row major order. By default, row major order. Can you go ahead? What is the answer of this problem? Everyone try. Yeah, can you please try the answer? Hi Ashok, hi. Try everyone. Problem is in front of you. Please try everyone. Everyone try. I'm just giving 2 or 3 minutes. Please finish it off. Totally, I think 3 printf. First printf 3 values will print. Second printf 3. Third printf 3. Totally 9 values will print. Can you do that fast? Am I audible? Am I audible? Yeah, go ahead everyone, go ahead. Finish it off. Assume base address is 1000. Assume base address is 1000. Assume base address is 1000. So everything is perfect now. Everything is perfect now. See this one. A is 1000. Now see this. It is a 1000. 1000 plus 3. Right? Because of the 2D array, na? Plus 3 means 3 rows skipping. Every row 3 people. 3 rows means 9 people. 9 fours. Because of float, na? 9 fours. 9 fours 46. Right? 9 elements skipping. Every one is 4 bytes. So like that 9 times. 9 fours 46. 46 or 36? 9 twos 18, 9 fours 36, right? 36. 1036. Next one, A is 1000. First star 1000 only. But remember, row level is over. Plus 3 means 3 elements skipping. Every element 4 bytes. 1012. 3 4s 12. Next one, A is 1000. Star A, 1000 only. Star 1000 data came 10. 10 plus 3, it is the data 13. Data no change. That is the first printf. Data no change. That is the first printf. I hope everyone got it. I hope everyone got it. Now can you see the next one? Can you see the next one? A is 1000 plus 3, 1000 plus 3. See, remember 3 rows skipping. 3 rows. But one more interesting thing is, without doing any star and anything, directly once again plus 2. 2 more rows skipping. 3 rows skipping here, 2 more rows. Totally 5 rows skipping. Every row is 3 people. 5 rows means 15 people. 15 4 60. It is a 1060. It is a 1060. Please check properly. A is 1000, right? So I think here see this one. A plus 3 done. Again plus 2. I think 5 rows skipping. 5 rows skipping. Same. 1060. Afterwards star. First star. Data will not come. Address only. First star. Data will not come. Address only. Next one. So A is 1000 plus 3. 3 rows skipping. 3 rows. Every row 3 people. 3 rows means 9 people. 9 fours 30. 9 fours 46. 9 fours how much? 36, na? 36, right? So A is 1000 plus 3. 3 rows skipping. Every row 3 people. 3 rows means 9 people. 9 fours 36, right? 1036. Star, same will come because of first star. Plus 2, but here because of 1 star over. Plus 2, 2 element. Every element is 4 bytes. 2 element means 8 bytes. 1036 plus 8, 1044. Right? So that is the second printf story. That is second printf story. See calculations, am I done anything wrong? See calculations, am I done anything wrong? Can you see this one? A is 1000. A plus 1, A plus 1, 1 row will skip, right? 3 people, 3 4s 12, 1012. Next one, everyone try to understand. Everyone try to understand. Is it something different? A 1000, ampersand A also 1000. Ampersand A also 1000. But remember, you went to the root level. See, A itself is 1000. Ampersand A means root level event. This is almost like this whole array base address. Almost like that. A is 1000. Ampersand A also 1000. Right? But there should be some meaning. Plus 1 means what happened is total 2D array will skip. If you want, at any point of time, if you want to skip total 2D array, you have 2D array, total 2D array you want to skip. Keep ampersand plus 1 you do. Total 2D array will skip. What is the meaning? I think 10 rows and 3 columns. Total, I think 30 people are there. 3, 10 times. 30 people, everyone is 4 bytes. Means 120. 30 into 4, 120. So 1000 plus 120, which is going to be 1120. 1000 plus 120, 1120. Remember, some people are asking, sir, I have 2D array. Total 2D array I want to skip. Total 2D array I want to skip. How? Just keep ampersand, do plus 1. Total 2D array will skip. Sir, in the 2D array, just I want to skip 1 row only. Just to do A plus 1. Sir, in the 2D array, just I want to increase 1 element only. Star key plus 1 you do. 1 element will skip. Sir, in the 2D array, just I want to increase data only. 2 stars you do, plus 1 you do, data will increase. Every manner they done. Every manner they done. Right? Please be careful. Now come to the next one. A is 1000, star A. 0th row selected, same 1000. But remember, row level over, plus 1 element. 1004. I hope everyone is comfortable. I hope everyone is comfortable. I hope everyone is comfortable. Check one time. Anyone having any doubt, let me know. Anyone having any doubt, let me know. So these are the answers. Little doubt also there, let me know, I will help you. Little doubt also there, let me know, I will help you. Little doubt also there, let me know, I will help you. Please let me know. Little doubt also there. Little doubt also there. Please let me know. I will help you. Any doubt? Check everyone. Check everyone. Everyone check. Can we move to next? Can we move to next? Can we move to next? Can we move to next problem? Can we move to next problem? Can we move next one? All the people, please let me know. Right. In one of your previous paper, this question is given. I am giving, please try. In one of your previous paper, this question is given. I am giving that. Can you try this? Can you try this problem? Previous paper, this question is there. I am giving that. Try this one time. Try this problem. Try this problem one time. Int main int a 4 5 is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 printf percentage d printf percentage d. Complete this. Star a plus star a plus 2 bracket plus 3 bracket. It's one of the gate problem. You can try one time. Because of we return int main return 0. Can you go ahead this problem? Can you go ahead this problem? Star I think brackets are there. A plus 2 star a plus 2 bracket close plus 3 2 bracket close. Yeah, everything perfect. I think you can try this. You can try this. I request everyone try this. Yeah, go ahead. Try everyone try. Yeah, someone is saying 19. So let me try this. Someone is saying 19. Let me try this. See this. See everyone. Someone is saying 19. So let's see this one. Int a 45. Something is there. Int a percentage d star star a. This one. Return 0. Right now see this. I think everything is fine. Everything is fine. I think the 0th row, first row, second row, third row. 0th row, first row, second row, third row. Totally 4 rows. Every row contains 5 columns. 0th column, 0th column, first column, second column, third column, fourth column. 0th column, first column, second column, third column, fourth column. 0th column, first column, second column, third column, fourth column. 0th column, first column, second column, third column, fourth column. Right? So yeah, everything is ready. Everything is ready. Let's see. This is 1000 first. Assume it is 1000. If it is 1000, I think everyone is, see this one. If it is 1000, everyone is, I think, let us know that integer, right? Everyone 2 bytes. 5 people means 10 people, 10 bytes. 5 people means 10. It is a 1010. If you want, you can check. It is a 1020. It is a 1030. Because if you observe, it is a 1000, it is 1002, 1004, 1006, 1008, 8 and 9 here, 10 here. So last one, if you see, 1018, 19. Next one is 20. If you see the last one, I think it is going to be 1028. So 30 onwards here. It is going to be 1000 and next one is 1040. Next one 1040. It's going to be 1038. 38, 39. I think if really required, we will fill other things also, don't worry. If really required, other things also will fill. In the memory, inside computer, it will store, right, in the one-dimensional array, almost like that. 1D array format, it will store. If really required, we will do anything which is needed. I feel not required, let's check. Be careful. So bracket should be done. First, inner bracket should be done. It is the inner bracket. Next one is its outer bracket. Let's go inner bracket. A is 1000. Okay. Now next one, see this one. Here also A 1000. Star A, it is also 1000. star again, value will come. The value inside 1000, the value inside 1000, I think it's 1. So finally for this A 1000, you are adding 1 plus 2, which is 3. You are adding 1 plus 2, which is 3, means 3 rows skipping. 3 rows skipping you are doing. 3 rows skipping you are doing. I think skip this, skip this, skip this. So I will be here. So 1030. 3 rows skipping 1030. First you are skipping 1. First you are skipping 1. Next one you are skipping 2. Right? Totally, right? 3 rows skipping. Every row is 10 bytes. 3 rows means 30 bytes. 1030. Remember? Star done. Now star done. Now star done. So this will become same. 1030 only. Right? After 1 star plus 3. 3 elements skipping. Every element is 2 bytes. Every element is 2 bytes. 3 elements 6 bytes. It became 1036. It became 1036. There, star, the value inside 1036. Now see this. 38, it is 36. 19. So 19 will be printed. 19 will be printed. So if I want to say, before first star, you done the plus 3. So A of 3. Before first star, you done the plus 3. So A of 3. Right? For the second star, you done plus 3. I think it is the third row, third column. A33. A3 means you will comes to here. It is the A0, it is the A1, A2. It is the A3. It is the A3. Right? It is the A3. In that A3, third element is this. This is the third element. A33. Actually, to be frank, it is A33. Instead of saying A33, he said in the dangerous way. He said in the dangerous way. Dangerous way, he done the A33. He just played some small trick. He just played small trick. Let me know anyone having any doubt. Let me know anyone having any doubt. Yeah, can we move to next problem? Can we move to next problem? I think this problem is perfect. It's a very nice problem. If anything possible to learn, learn it. If anything possible to learn, learn it. Let me go to the next one. Let's go to next one. Next one more thing is that it's going to be very dangerous problem. Please be careful. This problem is going to be very dangerous problem. It's going to be very dangerous problem. Please be careful here. Example, main. Example, main printf x. Printf x. Right? So I think that that function name is printf(x). Function is printf(x). Or if I want to say, I can change the name also. If you think you are having some issue, I will change that also. Don't worry. I will adjust again. Some more things required. Int a1 is equal to 678 18 34 67 into A2 23 56 28 29 into A3 minus 12 27 minus 31 into star x is equal to A1, A2, A1, A2, A3, int main. I think there is no int also. Main. Next one, some f function, f of x. Go inside. Yeah, that is also okay. Let's go to f function. Let's go to f function. Careful. Void f of int star a. Go inside. Printf percentage d ar 02 printf percentage d star a of 2 printf percentage d star plus plus a of 0 printf percentage d star plus plus a of 0 printf percentage d a of -1 plus 1. So end of this. It's a very good problem. If you have dare, you can try this. This is the maximum thing what you can do in the C programming. It's the maximum thing what you can do in the C programming. If you have dare, you can try. This problem will decide, are you really fine with the C programming or not? This problem will decide. Can you go ahead? Can you go ahead one time? Can you go ahead? Everyone try this. Make it fast. Everyone try. Hope you people done. Can I go ahead? Can I give answer? This problem if you can do, any problem you can do. In the C language, this problem if you can do, any problem you can do. This problem if you can do, any problem you can do. Can I go ahead? Hello, can I go ahead? Can I give the answer? Yeah, let's see. Let's see this. Let's see this one. Whatever possible, you people tried. Array parrot control, man. Parrot control, control. There is a limit for everything, parrot. I allowed you doesn't mean you will disturb my class. I request you, you should be there in your limits. If you don't be there in the limits, I may close the door. It is very nice to hear one time, but you cannot say again and again, parrot. Please understand the emotions of the people. Okay, fine. So I think everything is all right. We can start now. We can start. Everything is all right. See this. In A1, I think there are if you observe clearly, there are 4 global arrays are there. A1 is one array, A2 is one more array, A3 is one more array, X is one more array. But X is expecting address of integers. X is saying that I am not a normal array, I am pointer array. I want address of integers. A1 is a normal array, A2 is a normal array, A3 is a normal array. Let me try once. Let me try. Every array having base address, right? See this one. Base address assume to this array 1000. Base address assume to this array 2000. Base address assume to this array 3000. Base address assume to this array 4000. So these are the elements, right? So these are the indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you see the addresses here 0, 0, 0, 2 because of integer 0, 4, 0, 6, 0, 8, 10. Right? So I think that box you can take care properly. This box, let's see that this box. It is a 0, it is a 1, it is a 2, it is a 3. If you observe clearly 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 4, 0, 6. This one if you observe 0, 1, 2. It's going to be 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 4. Right? This one come here because of here all are addresses. This is 0, 0. It is a 0, 8. It is a 16. It is a 16. Now observe here. Now observe everyone. X. X 0, 1, 2. A1 1000. A2 2000. A3 3000. So this is anyhow 4000. This is 4008. This is 4016. Everything is available. X. Now listen, because of these are array of pointers, try to understand. You given 1000, it will point to 1000. You given 2000, it will point to 2000. Careful. You given 3000, it will point to 3000. 1000, 2000, 3000. Right? Everything is perfect. So X is array of pointer. Some people are asking, sir, how can you give array as input? If you want, you can check. See what X saying. I want address of integers. If you want, you can check. Go 1000. Inside 1000 there is an integer. See this. Inside 1000 there is an integer. Inside 1000 there is an integer. Inside 2000 there is an integer. Inside 3000 there is an integer. I want address of integer. I want address of integer. That's what he asked. Whatever he asked to be given. Okay, that's okay. That is a global story. And one more thing, who can access the global variable? Anyone. If no local, global only will come. Because by default it follows static scoping. By default it follows static scoping. No local, global only will come. Right? I think global declaration, everything done. So remember, these are all done in the static area because of global declaration. Let's start from main. This problem is going to be very dangerous. Please see. Let's start from main. What is the main? F of X. Everyone know X going means what? X going means array. Array going means array you are passing means base address going 4000 going. 4000 going. Array going means base address going. Now listen everyone. So it is going here. It is going here. Right? So now if you want, right? So like it is going. So now see this one. Everyone observe A. Inside A 4000. Inside A 4000. Received by pointer C. X going means base address is going. So that is taken by A, right? And one more thing, it is having its own address. If required, we will write. If required, I may write 5000. Until now, everyone is okay. If you okay, till now, if you okay, now game will start. Now game will start. Please, he will confuse you as much as possible. He will make you fool as much as possible. As much as possible, he will make you fool. Right, in the further story. Whether you will become a fool or whether you become an intelligent person, so be careful. As of now, before proceeding further, I will ask you one small thing. Before proceeding further, I will ask you one small thing. How many arrays on the board? How many variables on the board? Please give answer. Before proceeding further, I will ask you how many arrays, how many variables? Give answer to me. How many variables? Right? How many variables? How many arrays? I want answer from all of you. Please try to give answer. Everyone try to give answer. How many variables till now? How many arrays? Make it fast. 4 arrays. Array means you know very well. Array means base address. How many variable? 1 variable. 1 variable. Can you say variable name? You said 1 variable. I am very happy. You said 1 variable. I am very happy. Right? Can you help me now? What right? So what is the variable name? A. What is the variable name? A. Can you say print A? What will print? Print A. What will print? Variable name is X. How? Bhaiya, how? Yaar. Variable name is A. Can you say print A? What will print? Print A. What will print? Variable means inside 4000 will print. And one more. If I do A plus 1, what will increase? So remember everyone. I am a pointer variable. I am pointing here. My increment is based on where I am pointing. Wherever I am pointing, understand. Wherever I am pointing, one address is there. Wherever I am pointing, one address there. So I am pointing to 4000. One address there. Address is 8 bytes. When I say plus 1, we will go to next. It will increase by 8 bytes. If I say A increment, If I say increment A, it will increment by 8 bytes. If I say increment, it will increment by 8 bytes. Check properly. It will increment by 8 bytes. Fine. It will increment by 8 bytes. If I say A plus 1, A is pointing to, A contains 4000, A is pointing to 4000. Inside 4000, if you see 8 bytes person, because address is 8 bytes. Address is 8 bytes. When I say plus 1, it will increment by 8 bytes. So try to understand. It will increment by 8 bytes. Try to understand. Everything is ready. Now I am running the program. Be careful. Be careful. Now I am running the program. Everything is ready. Everything ready. Now I am running the program. Can you see this? Can you see this? What is the effect of this line? Actually, A is a variable. But see how he is trapping. He is behaving like A is a 2D array. Actually, A is a variable, pointer variable. Actually, A is a pointer variable. But see how he is using first printf. He is using A as a 2D array. But what exactly going on, you will see now. This is the shortcut, but actually, if you observe, star A plus 0, actually, you know very well. 2D array, actually, if you see this one, star A plus 0 plus 2 star. Please be careful. That is the actual meaning. For first bracket, 1 star, 1 plus. For second bracket, 1 star, 1 plus. For first bracket, what is the plus? Plus 0. 1 and 1 star. For the second bracket, what is the answer? Plus 2 and star. Right? Now listen everyone. Variable means inside 1000. 1000 plus 0. So 1000 only. Star 1000, star 1000, star 1000. See this one. Remember, A is not array. A is a variable. A is a variable. Star 1000 means the value inside 1000. Sorry for this one. Careful, careful. A is 4000. No? Right. I'm writing once again. A is 4000. 4000 plus 0 is 4000. Star 4000. Star 4000. Star 4000. So please be careful. Right, this became 4000 only. Star 4000, if you observe clearly. Star 4000, if you observe clearly, 1000. Now, remember, A is a variable. A is not a array. A is a variable. A 1000. A is 4000. 4000 plus 0 also 4000. Star 4000 is 1000. Star over. Right? Now you are at here. Listen, now you are at here. Star 4000. Now you are at here. Careful. Now you are at here. Star 4000. Now you are at here. So wherever you are, see is 1000, you are pointing here. You are pointing here. See, now I am at here. When you say plus 2, wherever you are pointing, skip 2 people. You will be here. Plus 2, skip 2 people. Right? Which is going to be 1004. Which is going to be 1004. Skipping 2 people. I think skipping 2 people, here everyone is 2 bytes. Skipping 2 people, 4 bytes. It became 1004. Lastly, star 1004. I think 8. Lastly, 8. The value at 1004 is 8. 8 will be printed. Understand carefully, A is not a 2D array. A is a pointer variable. A is a pointer variable. Please try to understand. He trapped you in many ways. He just sent the X address. Array going means base address is going. Received by pointer variable. Received by pointer variable is a pointer variable. That's it. His size is 8 bytes. Can you help me know? What is the size of this person? Remember, size of this person, size of X. Size of X is, I think it is array. Size of X, if you observe, everyone is 8 bytes. 3 times 8 3 is 24. 24 bytes. But if you see size of this person, I think one pointer variable. Size of this person, size of A, simply 8 bytes because he is a pointer variable. Because he is a pointer variable. So, size of X 24 bytes, size of A is 8 bytes. But when you say X going, address going 4000. Address is going, array is not going. Received by normal variable, right? Pointer variable which can hold the address. Remember, don't scare, right? There is no 2D array here, right? Now, can you see this one? What is star A of 2? First of all, A is not array. A is a variable. So, see this one, star A of 2, star A. Remember everyone, A will go with star and bracket. Bracket it will go. Bracket having highest priority. Star and bracket having highest priority. A will go with bracket first. That means A of 2 first. A of 2 means what? A plus 2 star. Every bracket means this is square bracket means this is the meaning. After this star will be there. One more star. A of 2 place this K. Afterwards star there. Now execute properly. A is 4000 plus 2 plus 2. A is 4000. Right? Plus 2. So I think what is the answer? 2 people skip. It's going to be 4000 and right? How much? 2 people you skip 4016. A is 1000. Sorry, A is 4000 plus 2. Wherever he is pointing from there, skip 2 people. 4016. Star 4016. The value inside 4016 is 3000. Star 3000. The value inside 3000. The value inside 3000. The value inside 3000 is minus 12. Minus 12 will be printed because of 2 stars. Right? First, because of 1 star, I will go here. 1 more star, I will go here. So finally, I got minus 12. Please check. And one more thing is in the first printf, if you observe clearly, no postpone is there. See, no pre-incrementation, no post-incrementation, and no update also. A is not updated. In the second also, A is not updated. There is no post-incrementation. There is no pre-incrementation. Please take care about all of them clearly. Otherwise, you will become victim. So please take care. A is a normal variable. The only thing is addressing. It is holding address. Till now, A is not updated. No postpone, no pre-incrementation also, no post-incrementation also. So no problem at all. Can you see the third printf? One time? What he is doing? So remember A purpose, plus also fighting, right? Bracket also fighting. Bracket is the winner first. So let me write here now. Right? Brackets, every square bracket will bring 1 plus also, 1 star also. A of 0, so A plus 0 star. That's okay. Remaining things are as it is. Plus star. Now start now. A is 4000. 4000 plus 0, 4000. Be careful. Till now, be careful. Now star 4000. The value inside 4000. The value inside 4000 is 1000. Now remember, because of star, you went inside. Now you are at here. Now wherever you are, I think you are at here. See this one, plus. This, remember, it is a pre-incrementation. It will increment. It will update also. Please be careful. Wherever he is pointing plus, he will point to next. He will point here. Not here. He will point here, and it will update also. 1002. It will update also. It became 1002. It is updated. Next one, star 1002. The value inside 1002, so 7. It became 7. Check. Right. So 7. 8 minus 12, 7. Please let me know if anything is wrong. A is 4000. Star 4000 is 1000. 1000 plus 2 plus. It will become 1002, and it will update also. Star 1002, which is going to be 7. Right? Perfect. So first printf printed 8, second printf printed minus 12, third printf is printed 7. I feel everyone is okay till now. Right. Next one. Star plus A of 0. Star plus A of 0. Can you see this one? Star plus A of 0. Star plus A of 0. Can you see this? What exactly it is? This also, can you concentrate properly? It will kill you. Please be careful. So lack of space, I am adjusting somehow. Can you see this one? This one I am adjusting. I am coming from here. See this one? Star plus A of 0. See this one. 2 brackets are there. Which bracket will be done? right? I think left bracket are having, can you see, can you go and check, can you see the priority list, can you see the priority list? Brackets are having which associativity, left to right associativity. If you want, you can verify first table only, in the table first only brackets are having left to right associativity. So first bracket. And one more important thing is operand here, first operand, wherever operand there, stop. And no problem, bracket also there. So plus plus a should be done first, right? And one more thing, a is incrementing, because of a is a variable, it can increment also. If array, it cannot increment. A is incrementing also now. First time a is incrementing, till now a is not incremented, first time a will increment. Let's go there, let's go. A is 4000, it will increment now. And one more thing is the pre-incrementation, it will change to 4008. So you don't point here, you don't point here, you don't point here, you don't point here, you will point to 4008. Here you will point, it will increment also. Okay, it's incremented, it became 4008, right? Now listen, star, this became 4008. Okay, afterwards of 0, right? Whatever there are remaining one, I written as it is. Now observe clearly, so bracket also over, because I already done this bracket also over, right? Because of I already done that one, that bracket also over, first bracket is completed, right? So now to this person, first bracket is completed, to this person, bracket, second bracket also fighting, and star also. So he is the winner, so it became star as it is outside 4000 of, right? This became 4008 of 0. So remember, if a there, a of 0, 4008 is there, 4008 of 0. So this became star, right? Again, because of this square bracket, right? One more star will become 4008 plus 0, like that it will come. So then it will become 4008 plus 0 is 4008 only, no change. Afterwards, star 4008. Check star 4008. What is there? I think 2000. Next one, right? Star 2000. The value inside 2000. The value inside 2000. The value inside 2000. What is the answer? I think 23. The value inside 2000, which is going to be 23. So 23 will be printed, right? From this printf. So please be careful. So I given the direction also. This is first bracket will be done, it became 4008. So 4008 of bracket, which will goes to star 4008 plus 0. So 2 stars mostly will get data, so 23 came. So from the right, from the fourth printf, 23 is printed. Can you see the last one? Don't confuse also. Can you see the last one? Last one I am writing here. I think white color is okay. Can you see this one? A minus 1 plus 1. Observe here. A minus 1 plus 1. So this became, it is a 2D array, na? Expand properly. A minus 1, because of first bracket, star. Whatever there, if 1 is there, 1, right? So like that. Next one, plus 1, star. 2D array format. Now observe here. A already updated, 4008. Remember, a plus 1 means 8 byte will increase. A minus 1 means 8 byte will decrease. It became 4000. But a will not update. Star 4000. The value inside 4000. The value inside 4000. I think few minutes back we updated 1002. It became 1002. It became star 4000, 1002. So remember, I am at here. Right? I am at here. Please be careful. Now, afterwards, star you done 1002 you got. Now you are doing plus 1. Now when you are doing plus 1, wherever you are pointing here, plus 1, I think this is. It's going to be 1004. This became 1004. This became 1004. Right? Afterwards, star, the value inside 1004. The value inside 1004. What is the answer? 8. So this will print 8. This will print 8. So the final output you see 8 minus 12, 7. Let me write 8 minus 12, 7. So I think 23 and 8. Please let me know if anything is wrong. Please let me know if anything is wrong. Somewhere, sir, you done wrong, let me know. A is 4008 minus 1, 4000. Star 4000, which is going to be 1002. Plus 1, 1004. Star 1004, the value inside 1004 is going to be 8. Right? Fine, I think so. First one also 8 because you done the plus 2, plus 2. First one you done the plus 2. 1000 plus 2, 1004, 8 you got. But lastly, if you see some small changes you done, this is. Please let me know, right, if anyone having any doubt. Small doubt also there, please check. So what is the A value? A became 8. So I think if you see the fourth statement, 23. Fifth statement, 8. Observe clearly. You have to write your own notes. You have to write your own notes. Your own notes you have to write. You have to write your own notes. Little doubt also, let me know. I will explain again. Sir, this point is not clear. You say to me, I will do that. This point is not clear. This point is not clear. Check if anyone say, sir, something is going. So please let me know. Yeah, answer is 8 minus 12, 7, 23, 8. Yeah, perfect. Right, no way mistake also happened. Whenever you are doing big problem, there may be chance of small mistake can happen. Because of I done many times, so no mistake also. Right, fine. Is it okay? Can we move to next one? Can we move to next one? Can we move to next one? Just give me 1 minute. 1 minute, just give me 1 minute. I am typing one program. I am typing one program. Just give me 1 minute. Yeah, see this problem one time. See program, just I want to say few things to you. That's the reason I am running this problem. Can you see this one time? Careful. So I am running, it may give errors. All right, let's check. So compilation problem, let's see where is the error. Int a, I think this bracket missing. Int a 10.4, I think. Now let me run again. So again compilation error. Just check, let me check where this error is came. Size of a, size of a, size of double star a. Okay, two brackets, we have 0, that is okay, that is also okay, minus a01, bracket close. Yeah, let's see where is the problem. I think main starting itself some issue. Main starting itself some issue. I think now it will resolve. Now check. Wait, just I want to say one point to you. Nothing, there are some errors. Let me rectify the errors first. Int main main, any issue, main any issue, bracket int a. Let me know where we are going wrong. See this one time. I want to say a few points to you. Line 1 error, what is that? Okay, I will write this also. Maybe wide, is expecting maybe wide. Let's see. Implicit declaration of function printf. Let me write this. Maybe is expecting hash include stdio.h, that maybe is expecting. Yeah, I think let's see this. Now perfect. Now see this one. I want to say one important point to you. That is the reason I written this program. /n. Let's see, to get the clarity, I am writing /n also. To get the clarity, I am writing the /n also. See, from this you can learn something. What it is, I will write. I will explain. It is also /n. It is also /n. Yeah, last one not required /n. /n means next line. Now observe here. Now observe what answers will come. What answers are coming. Let me check. So if you observe clearly, everyone see this. Everyone see this. If you observe clearly this problem, you can use any compiler. Just I took randomly some compiler. Don't worry. So see this one. 10 rows and 4 columns, totally 40 elements. Understand this one. Totally 40 element. 40 element size 160 means one element size how much? 40 element size became 160. What is the one element size? I want answer from all of you. One element size is 4 bytes. Right? 40 into 4, which is going to be 160. 4 4s, right? 16. So system to system, depending upon how much memory is there, address size will be keep on changing. So one element size is going to be 4 byte. If anyone having small doubt, can you see this one? Actually A is a 2D array. 2D array 2 stars over, you will get data. See this. 2D array 2 stars over, you will get data. It is a data. I am indirectly asking what is the size of the data. 2D array, be careful. 2D array 2 stars over, you will get data. What is the size of the data? I am asking. What is the size of the data? I think third printf is size of the data, which is going to be 4 bytes. And one more interesting answer. In the 2D array, if I do 1 star, row selected. In the 2D array, if I do 1 star, row selected, it is a row level. Remember, row Row selection done. Row selection done. Indirectly, now I am in the 0th row. Now I am in the 0th row. 0th row, how many people? 4 people. 0th row, 4 people are there. Everyone is 4 bytes. So remember, one row size. When you say star, row selection done. When you say star, row selection done, please be careful. Row selection you done. So now in that row, how many people are there? In that row, 4 people are there. What is the size? 4, 4, 16. So this is. So first 160 will give total 2D array size. First 160 will give total 2D array size. Second one star will give 1 row size. 1 star row means it became a 1D array. 1D array means 1 row. When you say star, oh, it became 1D array. 1D array means wherever you are, that 1D array. 0th row I am. 0th row size how much? That row size how much? 0th row you are, because of 1 star over. 0th row you are. In that row, what is the size? 4 people, everyone is 4 bytes, 16. Next one, 2 stars over in the 2D array. 2D array, 2 stars over. 2D array, 2 stars over. That indication that data came. Data size is 4. Till now, everything is okay. Now observe clearly what is going on. Observe clearly. So what I will do is, I think 10 over 11. Let's go to 11. So if you see this array, the array whichever I given, 10 rows, 4 column. Observe here. 10 rows, 4 column. 10 rows, 4 column. I am writing. I want to say one important point. So it is better to show with the help of example by program. So that is the reason I am doing this. 10 rows and 4 columns. See this one. 0th row, first row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row, sixth row, seventh one, eighth one, ninth one. Columns, if you see 0, 1, 2, 3. See what is going on here. Don't confuse. If any new thing is there, please learn. If any new thing is there, please try to learn. Don't confuse. Array name may be A. Base address may be. If you want, you can print the base address also. Print A. Automatically you will get the base address also. So I will try that also. Only for namesake, I will try that also. What is the base address? He will select randomly one address, right? Randomly some address. Whichever address is free, he will select that. Whichever address is free, he will select it. So let me take this. I want to see base address also. Percentage U. Because of he is the last person, not required, but he is required. Let's see. Now see this one. What is the base address also? You will see. So see this one. See, the last one is a base address. Some random address he will be selected. See, some random address will be selected. Totally 6 people now. Now we have 6 people. Right? 6 people are. How many printfs are there? Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Totally 7 printfs are there. 160 first one, 16 second one, 4 third one, 20 fourth one, 50 is right. 5th one, 6th one is 0. 7th one is address. How right? 6th one is coming. How 5th one is coming. How 4th one is coming. We'll discuss now. Please be careful. Our intention here is, I think first one clear, second one clear, third one clear, 4th one, 5th one, 6th one, I want to explain. Be careful everyone. Fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, I want to explain. Be careful. Everyone be careful. This is going to be tricky. That's the reason I written the program also. This is going to be tricky. And base address is, remember? So I think some big number. For your convenience, I used to write in every problem. For your convenience, in every problem, I used to write 1000 address, 2000 address. I cannot write that much big address. So this is the base address of this array. This is the base address of this array. Please be careful, everyone. Right now, because of you are really comfortable. Now let's see one by one. Let's see one by one. Careful. So if you observe fourth one 20, fifth one 5, sixth one is 0, sixth one is 0, literally 0, sixth one is 0. Right? But one small question I want to ask you. Please reply everyone. Please reply everyone. Can you help me? Sixth one is data or not? I want answer from you. Sixth printf. Sixth printf is data or not? Bro, sixth printf is 0 or not? Sorry, sixth printf is data or not? Sixth printf is data or not? Be careful. Sixth printf is data or not? So I think two datas you are subtracting. Sixth one, if you observe, sixth printf, if you observe, two brackets means data. Because of you didn't kept any data here. Because of you didn't kept any data here, it is taken some garbage. Garbage can be anything. That is also garbage. This is also garbage. Maybe they both may be 0, 0, 0 minus 0. That is the reason 0 came. Right? But I am not talking about sixth one also, because it is simply data. But I am talking about, clearly I am talking about fourth one, fifth one is our goal here. This problem goal is fourth one, fifth one. Sixth one anyhow data. 2D array, 2 brackets are over. 2D array, 2 brackets means data will come. 2 data you are subtracting. Because of you didn't kept any data. See, can you see here? You didn't kept any data, garbage came. You didn't kept anything garbage. Garbage means anything can happen. Right? Now observe clearly. What is fourth one? What is fifth one? We will see now. What is fourth one? What is fifth one? We will see now. Can you help me? I'm asking. Without any star, please give answer to me. Without any star, if I do plus 5, what is the meaning? Without any star, I am talking about fifth statement. Fifth printf I am talking. Without any star, plus 5 means 5 rows will skip or not? Without any star, plus 5 means 5 rows will be skipped or not? You are in the row level. Row not selected, you are in the row level. Remember. In the fifth one, if you observe, there is no star operator. In the fifth one, there is no star operator. You are in the row level. A plus 5 means 5 rows will skip. A plus 0 means 0 rows will be skipped. Now understand. Now understand here. Can you go to here? See this. See correctly. So A plus 5 means, right, 5 rows will skip. 5 rows you skipped. You skipped 5 rows, not 5 rows. 5 rows you skipped means you are at here. Currently you are at here. Be careful. 5 rows skipped means now you enter into 5th row. Means 0 to 5th, which is nothing but 6th row. To be frank, you are at the 6th row. 5 rows you skipped. Now you are at the 5th row. 0 to 5 means 6th row. Right? Be careful. Now understand, very important thing. A plus 5 means 5 rows you skipped. A plus 5 means 5 rows you skipped. Next one, A plus 0 means 0 rows you skipped. Right? If you subtract this one, you know very well, subtraction will give number of elements present between them. If you subtract 2 pointer, because this is also address. Understand? Both are addresses. If you subtract addresses or if you subtract 2 pointer, you will get a number of element. But remember, You are not there now in the element level. Now you are there in the row level. You are there in the row level. Row level you are there. Remember, two addresses. Right? See, this is the address of. This is the address of. Almost like I can say fifth row. This is the address of fifth row. Address of fifth row. Remember, you are there in the row level. Addresses of row. This is not addresses of elements. These are not addresses of element. These are addresses of row. Address of fifth row. This is address of 0th row. 0th row. You are in the row level. Understand all these points. Because of you are in the row level. If you subtract row level people, see this one. Everyone listen. Row level people, if you subtract, you will get the rows. Number of rows you will get. Number of rows you will get. So what I want to say is, how many rows are there? Right? How many rows? Right? I think here 5 rows. A plus 5 means, right? I think 5 rows you skipped. You are at here. You are at here. Listen everyone. I said to you few days back, P2 minus P1 will give what? P2 minus P1 will give number of element present between these two pointers, excluding P2, including P1. Means including A of 0, excluding A of 5, it will give number of rows. Remember, row level people, if you subtract, rows will come. Answer will be 5. Number of rows it will give. Row level people, are you subtracting? Then you will get the number of rows. You don't get number of elements. Row level people. So first of all, you have to check row level. If I say plus 1, what will happen? 1 row will skip. Oh. If I say plus 5, 5 rows will skip. Oh, I am in the row level. I am in the row level. How I know which level I am? How the incrementation going on? Incrementation is going on row wise. If I say plus 5, 5 rows will skip. Oh, I am in the row level. Then when you subtract to row level people, you will get the number of rows, excluding this. Actually, you are at here. Right? Before that, how many? From starting. Number of rows. That is the reason answer became 5. Can you go back and can you see the answer? So I think if you observe clearly, last one is address. Okay. I think 7th one is address. 6th one is data. That's okay. Whatever data is there, it will subtract. If you give the proper data, you will expect a proper answer. Next one, if you see the 5th one, 5K, because it's a row level. 5th one is a row level. Right? 5th one is a row level. Please try to understand. 5th one is a row level. Right? Now, I think some people are asking. Very, very interesting question. Very, very interesting question. In the 4th one, please help me. In the 4th one, 1 star already over or not? In the 4th one, 4th printf, already 1 star over or not? Square bracket means 1 star already over. Square bracket means already 1 star over. What is the meaning of square bracket? Star. A of 5 means star A plus 5. A of 5 means star A plus 5. Remember, in the 4th one, if you observe, right, I think row level is over. Rows selected, already selected means level over. From now onwards, it is a 1D array. Please be careful. Now onwards, it will become a 1D array. In the 1D array plus 1 element skipping. Now see this one, A of 0 minus A of 0. Right? A of 5 minus A of 0. Let's come to our diagram first. A of 5 minus A of 0. I am trying here. See this. A of 5 minus A of 0. So this is everyone know. A plus 5 star, 1 star already over. It is A plus 0, 1 star already over. That means here, listen, that means here A plus 5, 5th row, now you are at 5th row star, 5th row selected. Now I am at here, 5th row selected. I am at here, but remember it is selected, already selected 5th row. Now from now onwards, if I say plus 1, element will skip. Remember, right? 5th row selected. 5th row selected. Means row level completed. Rows concept completed. From now onwards, rows concept completed. That means if I say now, right? If I say A plus 5 star plus 2, then 2 element will skip. 2 element will skip. That means I want to say to you, that means you are in the element level. Because plus 1 means elements are skipping. Element level. You are in the element level. Now if you observe here, same story. 0th row selected. 0th row selected. That means, right? 0th row selected. That means, let me write now. So a plus 0 star plus 5 means 5 element will skip. If I say plus 5, 5 element will skip. 5 element will skip. That means you are at element level. Element level. Please be careful. So you now, because of 1 star over element level. Because of 1 star over element level. Remember, it is also element level. It is also element level. So I want to confirm to everyone one more time. I want to confirm everyone to one more time. If you are subtracting 2 pointer, they should be point to same array and same type, same level also same. Both are element level. One is row level, one is element level. It don't work. See, both are element level. Subtract, then you will get elements. Both are element level, then you subtract, then you will get element. Both are row level, subtract, then you will get rows. Now understand. See this one. He is there at the already 5th row selected. He is already selected 0th row. Now can I help you now? From 0th row, please understand. From 0th row, before 5th row, how many elements are there? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 20 elements. So here, this person saying that A of 0 saying 0th row selected. A of 5 saying 5th row selected. Means now, as of now, you are at element level. Then elements will come. In between, how many elements are there? That is the reason 20. If I say normal, you don't listen. If I say normal one, you don't listen. Where is that? Disappeared. My program gone? Oh no, not gone. So 20 came. See this. 20 came. Are you okay? Fine. Row level people subtract. Number of rows will come. Element level people subtract. Then elements will come. Which level that will come? In which level ever? But remember, if you want to subtract, both should be same level. Same array they should point. And one more thing is same level. Because of 2D array, so many levels are there depending upon how many stars you are using. If you don't use any star, row level. If you use 1 star, element level. If you use 1 more star, data level. Data level means simply subtraction. So please be careful. Okay, can we go further? So this problem, please be careful. So last, I think 6th printf, you don't bother. Data, you are subtracting. Whatever data you give, accordingly will come. To make it simple, if you want clarity, that also, see this. I'm giving 4. 16 elements. I can assign also. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160. Total 16 people, no? Totally 16 people. Now, if you run it, I think all fine. You will get the clear difference also. Can you see this? Data also. Can you see the data difference? Now see this one. I run one more time. What changes came? Let's see this. What changes came? Let's see this. Yeah, first one. Can you see this one? First one element size is 4. See, some people are asking, sir, why other people are changing? I changed the array size. I changed the array size, automatically all will change. All will change. See, one element size is 4 bytes only. Right? One row contain 4 people, 4, 4, 16. But if you observe clearly, totally 16 people, 16, 4, 64. Accordingly came. And one more C, right? One more C, right? See this one. One more C, this one. Last one is address. That is also okay. A53, see this one. A53, but there is no 5, right? There is no 5. Something like garbage. There is no 5. See this one. Can anyone help? In our array, is there any fifth row? In our array, is there any fifth row? Please help me. In our array, is there any fifth row? Bro, in our array, in the new array, any fifth row? No, that is the reason it will take garbage. Garbage value. Whenever you give, right, out of this array, garbage came. See, in the fifth row, third column, in the 0th row, first column, whatever the garbage, they subtracted, they got 5. Previously, they got 0, now some 5. Some garbage. Some garbage. Garbage things can happen anyway. Garbage thing can happen anyway. Now, to get the clarity, so you can go for some other values. Let me check. 3. Yeah, now you may get some good answer. Now see this. I think you can see difference is 140 came. Because third row, third column means last element 160. And 0th row, first column. 0th row, first column means it is 0, it is this one. This one, 20. 160 minus 20, 140. That's how 140 came. Remaining stuff is same, you can verify yourself. Remaining stuff is same, you can verify. All the things are same. Right? Fine. Can we stop it? Can we stop it? Remaining things are same. First one is 64, second one is 16, third one is 4. Now some people are asking, sir, what about the 8th line, sir? A of 5 minus A of 0. A of 5 minus A of 0. Sir, there is no fifth row, na? Fifth row not there in this problem. But in the memory, they are available. In the fifth row, they are available. In the fifth row, in the memory, all are continuously there. If you access them, you will get garbage. If you access those values, you will get the garbage. But in the memory, all addresses are available. So if you want to make it simple, let's make it 3. Let's make it 3. You will see some good results. Here also make it 3. Then you will see. Otherwise, you will, right? If it is not there, it will take, right, further memories. Now you can check it. You will get the accurate answer. 16, 4. What is the first one? 64. Second one, 16. Third one, 4. Okay. Now, can you see this? Can you see everyone? Fourth one is 12. How? Fourth one is 12. How? See this one? A of 3 means, I think, because of square bracket, element level. You skipped already 3 rows. Now you are in the 4th row. So 3 rows means what? Every row 4 people. 3 rows means 12 people. So 12 came. That is the reason 12 came. Now if you see the ninth line, if you see, no stars there. It is a row level. So A plus 3 minus A of 0. So what is the meaning? How many rows? 3 rows. Before A plus 3, from A plus 0, how many rows are there? Because it is a row level. 3 rows came. Someone is saying confused between 4 and 5. Come to the 4 and 5. 4 and 5. So address is there. Address is 7th one. You check one time yourself. So just take your program. Just take this program and write this output. 64, 16, 4. Next one is 12, 3, 140. 12, 3, 140. And lastly some address. You take and you verify. If I say this one normally, you people don't get. I want to give some example, I given. You may say, sir, sometimes not there also they are coming, garbage will come. In the memory, all addresses are available. See, to your program, whatever required, you are accessing. To your program, whatever required, you are accessing. Right? But when you access outside, garbage will come. Because memory is there. In that memory, some data also there. Right? That is the thing. Yeah, I think we can stop it. I think we can stop it. Almost C programming is over. Just some formalities are left out.